Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel everyone. So today I'm going to show you guys about how to boil kitchen everyone. How to boil kitchen be yummy. So my recipe today is boiled kitchen with fish sauce and also tamarind. If you guys want to see clear about the ingredient and want to see clear about how to cook it, so please watch my video until the end. So now let me show you guys about how to cook it. Everyone, so now we start to heat our ingredient. First we heat turmeric. And then heat our garlic. Add turmeric and also garlic. Add our onion, add our fish sauce. This is a special ingredient. And also add our chicken. And add a little bit SMG everyone. Then we continue to cook maybe 20 minutes. Everyone, while we are cooking our food, so now we can make chili sauce to eat with our chicken. Start to make chili sauce. First we add garlic and then heat it. Heat it to be smaller, and then we add chili, a little SMG, sugar, and then fish sauce, just a little everyone. Add our lemon everyone. So now our chili sauce is already made. So we wait for our chicken already cooked. So now we bake our chicken. It already cooks everyone, so we take it out from the fire. It looks like so yummy everyone. So now it's the time to eat everyone. We also have cucumber to eat with our chili sauce and also chicken. Ooh. Eat with chili sauce like this everyone. The best! Wow. It's it with cucumber. Wow, why it really yummy like this? Eat. Wow. Really spicy, but it's so yummy and yummy. So now I think it is time to say goodbye everyone, but everybody, so don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more yummy food like this to show you for other videos. So now let me say goodbye everyone, goodbye, and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.